What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, as you know, the Meyiwa trial is resuming today, but as it is resuming today, Sifiso Meyiwa is not happy about the way this trial is going on. He's actually saying that the family is losing faith in the justice system. So, Sifiso Meyiwa was like questioning these repeated delays, the constant interruptions, and what he is, I think, seeing as courtroom chaos. Because to Sifiso Meyiwa, this trial is no longer about the truth, but it's some sort of games, at least to him, the way he is seeing it. So, what is happening at the Meyiwa trial is that we have seen some witness recalls, conflicting testimonies, and strange courtroom rulings. So to Sifiso Meyiwa, all of this is looking like a show and not any serious effort to try and find out who actually did it. So online, people are actually like echoing Sifiso Meyiwa's concerns. Some are saying the court has lost control. Others are saying Judge Ratha is doing the best that he can in this difficult case. But one thing is very, very clear is that the Sifiso Meyiwas, the Meyiwas, they are actually frustrated with all of this. And justice to them, it feels like it's something that is far, far away. But at the end of the day, whether you agree on with the Sifiso Meyiwa or not, the Meyiwa trial is continuing to divide the public. So this is what is happening out there. Tell me what you think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.